Okay. So very good morning to you, all of you. Right now, we are starting a new concept. Same concept what I processed last times. How can find the equivalent capacitance and charge distribution over the plates. This is the very important point. Very important concept also. If you listen carefully, you can. I give the guarantee you can understand, and in final I mean, exclusively competition exemption definitely will benefit. You get benefit. It is guarantee from my side because all of you know this is a demo class going on. So major part where you have to opt your interest, you have to create your interest. That part I want to discuss only. Okay. Now today the heading is that nodal concept and charge distribution of capacitors. Okay. First, nodal concept means what? Nodal. Nodal means joint. Joint. I mean node point. The connection of the circuits, the connection point of the circuit, that is called nodal, or you can simple joint. Just then it is called charge distribution of capacitors. Capacitors में charge plays main role. Resistance में current plays main role. Both concept, both things, what I find same. I mean, this is the anomalous, similar type. If you understand this part, of course, directly or indirectly you cover the resistance part also, current electricity part. Both are exactly same. Now discuss. So so listen, this is a plate. So I'm dead sure this type of problems definitely you completed, but this is my initial steps. The initial steps, just I draw your attention to this point, to this type of questions. Therefore, I take example for you. We have to find how the charge is distributed and what will the equivalent capacitance of this type of structure. Right? A part is there. This one like. So now they have equal distance. I mean the distance is same, D. This is also D. This is also D. And how can find what is the equivalent capacitance and the charge on each plate? Okay. Can you solve this problem? Am I audible? Are you hear my request? Can you solve this problem? Okay. Let me solve this one. Because today class only total conversions. Something I want to tell you, something you have to listen. Something you have to tell, I will listen. Then class will be definitely fantastic. Right? Now, let it will be plus. This is a plus plate. And this is the negative plate. Right? This is the plus plate. This is the negative plate. Why plus minus? All of you know a capacitor is constructed by two plates. or more than 2 plates. One should be positive, extremely left or extremely right, definitely either or charge. Okay. On this concept, I take the positive one, negative here. You can take positive here also, negative here also. Left and right, you can take, no problem at all. Now, how can this type? There's a tricks. There is a tricks. The trick we have to find, we have to number in the plate. First, we have to number in the plate. The number in the plate is very, very important. It's the point one. Remember, how can number in the plates? We start from positive. I consider here positive. I consider here positive. Right? Positive. So this one, you take the 1. So this one 1 because same plate. Then 2. Then this is the 2. Then this is the 3. This is the 3. And the same 1 is yours. 1 and it is 1. Right? So first we have to number the plate. First number 1, you have to number in the plates. This part we complete. Am I right? All of you understand? Hello, my boys. Hello, my boys. Something to tell. We have to numbering
Yes,
all
sir.
the
Yes.
plates. Okay, very good. Excellent. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. Now we have to take the plate, how those are arranged. First look, this is the plus. It will be plus. So it will be plus because those 2 plates connected with the plus. Then 1 should be, and this is the minus. It should be minus. It should be minus. It should be again 3 is the minus, is the minus. Then 1, it should be plus, it should be plus. So all of you know a capacitance made by 2 plates. Just I complete this type of concept before 1 minute. 2 plates, one should be positive, one should be negative. That means a capacitance made by consist of 2 plates, one positive plate, negative plates. So each one positive plate, one negative plate make a capacitance. Okay. Right now look, this positive, this is the positive, this is the negative, this positive, and this negative, one capacitance. This will create one capacitance C. Because equal distance, equal charge, plus minus same, charge same, distance same. Epsilon naught is C is equal to epsilon naught A by D, depend on the area and D. It is completely independent of Q and V. So having same dimension, same cross-sectional area, same distance in 2 plates. So all capacitance definitely contains equal amount. Am I right? That is a C. Here minus minus, it never make a capacitance because is the minus, is the minus. Again this minus 3 plus 1 negative, 1 positive, definitely here one capacitance, right? So here that means the picture, the diagram evident that clear, the diagram is clear mentions that 2 capacitance only. I mean this diagram, total this concept creates only 2 identical capacitors. Question that how it will be connected, how it will be constructed, where this type of 2 capacitance can arrange. I means I want to say how those arranged, those plates are arranged. Let us look. Next page में ऊपर देखो. Okay, right? It cannot move up and just adjust here. First, we have to take this is the plus. Okay. Look here. This type of plus. First, we have to take one plus, one plate. I take different color. This is the plus 1. 1 plus this one, and 2 minus. This will be 2 minus. This is the 1 plus 2 minus. Right? Then this is not. Then minus 3, 1 plus. Minus 3. This the 2 and minus 3 look equal because 1 connected. You can write also 2 here. No problem because those are same plate. Again minus 2, this one, again plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. This is the minus 2. This is the plus 1. Right? 2 plates. One, listen carefully. Plus 1, 2 minus here 1. Minus 2 plus 1 here all. Or minus 2 because one end should be minus 2. And this is the plus 1. So one should be plus 1 we have to connect. And minus 2 you have to connect. Do you follow me? This is the minus 2. Now 2 capacitance. C, this is the C, this is the C. Now can you say those two are parallel? Yes or no? Because plus plus connected at one end, minus minus connected at one end. The two should be parallel. So parallel means C equivalent must be 2C. I mean C is equal to 2 epsilon naught A by
epsilon A by D.
2 epsilon naught A by D. Am I right? Do you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Any questions from your side regarding that? Any questions from your side regarding that? All of you understand? At least say yes or no. Do you want once again? Hello, my dear students. Tell me, do you want once again? Next one. If you have no doubt, so we can move next one. Exactly same. We have to move this one's plus 1, 2 capacitance, 2 C epsilon naught A by D. Now the charge distribution, how will be charged? Charge Q is equal to C into V. Q is equal to C into V. Those are parallel. Potential must be same. Multiply the C, then you get the Q. Right? Because those are parallel. Definitely parallel capacitor having common potential, same potential, and C you can get capacitance. Q is equal to CV. That means if you will be plus this charge, this is the C, this is the VB same. Okay. Okay. This one C is equal to QV. C already theirs, and it will be definitely, suppose it will be potential V. This will be potential V. So this is the Q is equal to CV plus CV. It will be minus CV. It will be plus CV. It will be minus CV. Because both are C and potential also same. Because the parallel potential same. This is the charge distributions. Am I right? Okay. Next problem we have to go. Okay. This is another one. Right? Second one. Now, this figure not completed. So this one's we have to connect this one. We have to connect this one. Now this one's here. Right? Now it is plus. Let it is plus with the negative. Either or you can take, no problem. But outsides always consider plus. It is better. If you take plus minus either or, you can get same result. You can test yourself. Right? So right now, if the plus, if the minus. Right now, number in the plate, second, First, we have to choose the polarity of the two ends. Number 1 point. Second, we have to numbering. Numbering is simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. 1. Let this is the 1. So it should be 1. It should be 1. Then it should be 1. Right? Now it is the 2. So it should be minus 2. It will be minus 2. Again, this one coming minus 2. It will be minus 2. Am I right? Numbering of the plate now over. Anywhere you feel problem, please don't compromise, because it is our demo class. We are trying our best level to put our 100% efficiency. Anywhere feel troubles, please you have to ask to me. Don't think the arbitrary class is the exclusive class, special class for you. Okay. Now this +1 to -2 + 2. This is the -2 -2. Am I right? Now we have to arrange the plates. First, we have to take the polarity, number 1 point. Number 2, we have to numbering all the plates as usual, commonly. Okay, as usual, like this I show here. Third, हम कैसे करेंगे? Third, we have to we have to arrange the plates. These plates again you arrange a new arrangement. Okay, how? This one, listen, +1 -2. This +1 +1 -1, 1 + 1 minus. Okay, this one produce a capacitor, right? One capacitor. Similarly, -1 -2 + 1, -2 + 1, ये भी produce a capacitor. Similarly, +1 -2, ये भी produce a capacitor. ये भी produce a capacitor. See. So that means clear cut. Here there are 3 capacitors. Yes or no? Here there are 3 capacitors. Question that among 3 capacitors, how many are in series, how many in parallel? So if you go for arrangement, 100% we get the complete idea about it, right? This is process, that is the +1 -2. This one we have to take +1 -2. This is the +1. This is the -2. Am I right? This one gone. Again -2 + 1. Here -2. Here +1. -2 + 1. Do you follow me? This is gone. Third is +1 and -2. Again +1, again -2. Again -2. That means that this is the C, this is the C, this is the C. One end should be +1. One end should be +1. All plus we have to complete like this. One plus we have to like this. This is the +1. Similarly, here -2, here -2. All -2 we have to connect like this. All -2 we have to connect like this. This is the -2. Now it is very, very clear after arrangement, it is get confirmations, those 3 are parallel, no one in series. All 3, तीनों को 3 parallel में है, तीनों को 3 parallel में. इतना तो आपका पास आ गया तो आपको थोड़ा महसूस होगा भाई ये इजी कंसेप्ट है. Then we have to write C equivalent. C equivalent is equal to what is 3C. Capacitors connected in series, parallel. C is equal to C1 + C2 + C3. On this concept, I write 3C. C + C + C is 3C. Am I right? So C is equal to equal distance. So we can write 3 epsilon naught A by D. This is the equivalent capacitance. Am I right? All of you get understand? All of you understand? Are you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Tell me, beta, tell. Any question from your side? Most welcome. Any questions from your side? Most welcome. this type of a concept, this type of problems, they will ask in the NEET, exclusively NEET. And nowadays, +2 also they can ask. It is very easy. Slowly, I'm going to easier to difficult. Just wait. Now, next one. All of you know down it. Otherwise, we'll send the PDF to you. You have to look. Next one. This one. This one. It is also very easy. Let us look. This is the positive. You take the positive and it's the 1 plate. This is the negative. You take the 2 plate. Clear? It will be negative 1
MID.
plus 1. This will be plus 1. This will be minus 2. 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 This one the plus 1. This one the plus 1. Am I right? Now you can do. Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Do.
Yes, sir.
Tell the answer. Tell the answer. I wait for you. You can yourself please do.
Yes, sir. Sir,
That's a very transparent. No need to arrangements. Already you get. This is the plus
yes, sir.
1 capacitance here. Because this one make a 1 capacitance plus 1 minus 2. Then minus never. Then minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 again capacitor 1 here. Right? 2 capacitors. So plus 1, you take the plus 1, you take the minus 1, plus 1 minus 2, again plus 1 minus 2. So minus 2 complete, connected, plus 1 connected, you get this ones. So C, so C equivalent must be 2 epsilon 2C and 2 epsilon naught A by D. This is your answer. Yes or no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Next problem. This one is a very, very important problem for mains and NEET. Mains and NEET is a different shape, different taste, different style. This is a very, very important problem. Listen carefully. Very useful problem. Here what happens, inside 2 plates, 1 cell is connected. This is the difference. Definitely, you can trace out what the difference between previous problem and this problem. Here, 1 cell is traced. Cell is connected. Very easy. Don't need not to worry. हम देखेंगे कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. You are brave boy, girls. You have to add. This is the plus. This is the plus. This will be minus. So this is the plus connected. I mean, with the plus, with the plus, with the minus, with the minus. Am I right? Now minus, it is not connected to anything. It is not connected to anything. This left part, sorry, right part, not connected to either plus or minus. That means the plate definitely suffering some induction, realizing some induction. Yes or no? So what will be? Due to induction property, it will be minus means it will be plus. Again, all plus come to there means remaining because the neutral, it will be minus. Similarly, this is the plus. This outer part is negative. This is the minus, it will be plus. Again, plus is a totally neutral. So plus minus. I mean, a neutral has equal number of plus or minus. Suppose the plus is coming up. So leaving negative, negative is go down. This is the property of induction that you know from the charge. Electric charge and induction, property of inductions. Am I right? Now look here, we have to arrange. This is the plus, we have to numbering plates. 1, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 2, this is the 1, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 2, because all connect the 2, and it is nothing, it's the 3, it's the 3, right? First I come to the numbering place. Am I right? Do you follow me? How we go for numbering? Tell me, yes or no? Are you follow me? Are you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anywhere you have a problem, suppose any, maybe I'm trying my best, maybe some problems, please notify to me, bring the notice to me, sir. Once again, once you tell me 100 times I want to tell, maybe 5-6 concepts, each concept should be 100% clear forever till your old age. You can remember this one, plus minus. Now already numbering over, then arrangements. Look here, 1 plus 1 minus, here one capacitor coming, that is a C12, plus 1 2, C12, plus 1 2 minus, again 2 plus 1 minus, there is another capacitor, C2 plus 1 minus, again minus 1 plus 2, here again C21, 2 plus 1 minus, again 3 plus minus 2, again this is the C3 plus 2 minus. So that means 4 capacitors here coming, 4 capacitors. After analyzing the concepts, अरे इसमें 4 कैपेसिटर आ गया. In third section, third steps, how those capacitors are arranged, how many among them are series, how many among them parallel. For that purpose you take the numbering. Numbering now helpful to you. Am I right? ये नंबरिंग कैसे होगा आप देखिए, इसमें तो कोई प्लस माइनस यहाँ पर है, अब तो प्लस 1 1 देखिए, ये एक तो प्लस एक माइनस, पहले प्लस 1 और 2 माइनस को हम लोग ले लेंगे, एक प्लस 1 2 माइनस, ठीक है, प्लस 1 2 माइनस, ये प्लस 1 2 माइनस, एक कैपेसिटर, देन प्लस 2 माइनस 1, प्लस 2 माइनस 1, प्लस 2 प्लस 2, इट इज माइनस 1, 2 कैपेसिटर हो गया, ये भी चला गया, ये भी चला गया, देन थर्ड वन प्लस 2 माइनस 1, प्लस 2 माइनस 1, ये प्लस 2, ये माइनस 1. लुक हियर, दिस इज द माइनस 1, राइट, ये भी चला गया, फिर क्या आया, प्लस 3 माइनस 2, प्लस 3 माइनस 2, प्लस 3 माइनस 2, प्लस 3 माइनस 2 मीन्स इसमें प्लस 3 माइनस 2, राइट, ये प्लस 3, ये माइनस 2, और माइनस 2 प्लस 3 आप ऐसे ले सकते हैं, यहां पर भी लिख सकते हैं. तो प्लस का साइड में लगता हूं, इसमें प्लस 3 माइनस 2, प्लस माइनस साइड इस पर लिखता हूँ, प्लस 3 माइनस लिखता हूँ, माइनस 2 मीन्स हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, प्लस 3 माइनस 2 आप लिख सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, देखेंगे क्या होते हैं, नहीं तो हम बदल देंगे. ओके, यू टेक रॉन्ग और राइट, देन ऑटोमेटिकली फाइंड दोज आर रॉन्ग एंड दोज आर राइट, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप ले सकते हैं. फिर मैं माइनस 2 प्लस 3 लेता, आप पूछेंगे सर क्यों ऐसे लिया, आपका ब्रेन में क्या चल रहा है, ले लिया, देखता हूं क्या होता है. तो अभी प्लस 1 माइनस 2 का प्लस का मैं कनेक्शन कर देता हूं, फिर ये वाला क्या होगा, आप देखिए +2 में कनेक्शन कर देता हूं, +2 का साथ में ऐसे कनेक्शन कर देता हूं। फिर क्या होगा, देखिए +2 का साथ -2 इस तरफ आए, ये +1 -2 +2 -1। आप देखिए ये +1 दिस साइड +1 बैटरी दिस साइड -1, सो डेफिनेटली वन साइड +1 वन साइड -1। ये सो +1 को मैं यहाँ पर +1 और यहाँ पर +1 को मैं यहाँ पर लेता हूँ, एक कनेक्शन देता हूँ +1 को। फिर -1 को मैं ऐसे कनेक्शन कर लेता हूँ, -1 को -1 में कनेक्ट किया, ऐसे कनेक्ट किया, ये -1 हो गया। देखिए ये जो कैपेसिटर ओके, यहाँ पर मैं -1 ले गया, बिकॉज -1 -1 -1, ये -1 ले गया, राइट। इसमें -1 में लिया, ये -1 -1 -1 कनेक्शन लिया, ठीक है, ये -1 लिया, am I right? अभी ऐसे कनेक्शन हो गया। ये देखता हूँ अरेंजमेंट, ये -3 -2 में कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है, +3 कोई एंड +3 एंड टोटल दिस कैपेसिटर टोटल आउटसाइड दैट, टोटल आउटसाइड द कंसेप्ट। तो ये कैपेसिटर इसका अंदर में कुछ नहीं होगा। अब टोटल रीअरेंज करेंगे, अभी ये मैं +1 लिया, आप देखिए इसमें -2 लिया, ये -2, फिर -2 का साथ +2 दोनों पैरेलल, ये दोनों पैरेलल, ये +2 इसमें लिया -1, फिर +2 -1 +2 -1, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा मैं ले लेता हूँ, इसको मैं ऐसे कनेक्शन कर देता हूँ, इसको ऐसे कर -1 को ऐसे हो गया, ये -1 हो गया, ये -1, ये वाला कितना हुआ +1। वही तो हमको चाहिए ना, एक तो +1 एक तो -1, बैटरी का वन टाइप ऑफ +1 वन टाइप ऑफ -1। दैट मीन्स इफ यू कनेक्टेड द पोटेंशियल्स it will be plus, it will be minus. Suppose this is the V, filling mode, this is V. Am I right now? Right now all of you understand how this is arranged? Any doubt? Just little bit of practice, nothing else, a little bit of practice. Just to understand, we have to send the PDF, but by following the PDF you have to practice. Am I right? So this is the -1, this is the -1, and this is the -1, -1 -1 minus, so this one's -1, and this end -1, this end plus ends, this is the plus, this will be minus. Now this C is parallel, this C is then series. So what is, this is the 2 parallel 1 series, so 1 equivalent will be what is, equivalent is equal to 2C, this one already 2C, and 2C series to that, I mean 2C into C divided by 2C plus C. So what is, it is the 2C by 3, that means the equivalent capacitor must be 2 by 3 into epsilon naught A by D, right, into epsilon naught A by D. Do you follow me? Now question that question from your side, any question from your side, Tell my dear students, any questions? Do you follow this concept? Then we can go for the how the charge is distributed over the plates. How the charge is distributed over the plates. Then we can.
वो जो C32 था वो
हाँ बताइए बेटा.
सर वो जो C32 था वो इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं होगा.
ये कैसे होगा? ये बाहर में आप कैसे कनेक्शन देखिए, कनेक्शन नहीं होता है. मान लीजिए यहाँ पर -2 लेंगे, वैसे ऐसे कनेक्शन कर दिया तो मान लीजिए मैं यहाँ पर नहीं तो -2 लीजिए, यहाँ पर नहीं तो +2 लीजिए. ठीक है, ये +3, ये -2 को -2 में ऐसे कनेक्शन कर दिया. ठीक है, +3 आ गया एंड में. कोई +3 पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव में सेल क्या है कनेक्शन है, ये पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव. ये +3 वाला इसका साथ कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है. सो ये सुपरफ्लक्स डाटा, इट इज नॉट ए कैपेसिटर. टेक द इंटरप्रिटेशंस इनसाइड द कैलकुलेशंस. ये कैलकुलेशन अंदर में नहीं आता है, ये कैलकुलेशन बाहर में आता है. सो दिस इज कंप्लीट सुपरफ्लक्स. देयरफॉर आई एम टेलिंग इट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मेंस एंड नीट. ये कैपेसिटर फॉर्मेशन होता है बट ये जो अरेंजमेंट का अंदर में नहीं आता है. +3 कहां पर, हम एक साइड +1 होना चाहिए, सेकंड साइड -1 चाहिए. +1 जो बैटरी कनेक्शन करते हैं बाहर में, सो एक तो +1 एक माइनस, प्लस क्यू को प्लस बनाते हैं, माइनस क्यू माइनस बनाते हैं. सो इसमें तो बाहर में हो गया. Therefore it is important. समझ आया? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for this. Excellent. Now look here. This is the main problems, how the charge distributed over 3 capacitors. There are only 3 capacitors. Out of 4, 1 is completely outside, superfluous. ये हम लोग का काम का नहीं है, ये निकम्मा है हम लोग के लिए. और दो जो है 3 कैपेसिटर, 2 पैरेलल में आ गया, एक सीरीज में आ गया. इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस हम निकाल लिया. But charge how can contribute? For the charge distribution we take the nodal concept. कैसे नोडल कंसेप्ट होता है, मैं थोड़ा इसको और एक डायग्राम बनाता आपके लिए तो आपको मालूम हो जाएगा. हाँ, नेक्स्ट पेज. उठा देंगे. हाँ, right. Now listen, the next part we have to go how the charge is distributed over the plates. ठीक है, हम लोग देखेंगे सेम प्रॉब्लम. ये कैपेसिटर में ऐसे पाया कि नहीं, हम लोग पाया ऐसे, और एक कैपेसिटर ऐसे पाया, और एक कैपेसिटर ऐसे पाया. ये दोनों को इसमें कनेक्शन किया -2 में, और इसमें ऐसे पाया. दिस इज द -2, this is the +2, and this is the -1, this is the -1, so it is the -1, and it will be +1 because only +1. ऐसे कैपेसिटर पाया, 3 कैपेसिटर. अभी ये जो बैटरी लगा था +1 -1 का अंदर में, आप देखिए फिगर, +1 -1 का अंदर में के बैटरी लगा था कि नहीं? अरे +1 -1 का अंदर में, राइट, वेरी गुड, एक्सेलेंट. तो +1 अंदर में, +1 और -1 का बीच में मैं एक बैटरी लगा दिया, ऐसे बैटरी लगा दिया. I arrangement already given, and this potential suppose given V, let it be V. Now we have to find what is the charge on the respective plates. What the charge on the respective plates? How can get this? Okay, it is very interesting. So many you can go for Kirchhoff's law or so many methods, but believe me, most easiest method is nodal methods. In the minimum time you can solve, and it is very interesting. Listen, this is the plus B. Plus B means it will be plus B because, and this one is 0. You can consider this one plus 0, this one 0, this one plus B. So definitely plus B. It is a 0. It is a plus B. 0 is a plus B. It is also 0 means it will be 0. and it will also 0. Zero potential. Zero potentials. Now we have to take here x. Let the x, it will be x around it, potential, it will contain x. So this is the x, right? How can get x? Look here, this is the current, let it is the Q1 charge, it is the Q2, it is coming Q3. Now Q1 plus Q23, this one nodal concepts, you can connect these lines. Last time I told, you can connect these lines, right? Q1 at a nodal point, all of you know Kirchhoff's current law. Here the Kirchhoff's charge law, because current is equal to charge by time. They are the meaning same, time for same, approachment, flowing time same. So you can tell us Kirchhoff's charge law. So Q at a nodal point, Q1 plus Q23 is equal to 0. So it can take Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to 0. Right? Q1, what is the charge? X minus V into C. X minus V into C. Here X, here C is equal to Q by C is equal to Q by V, Q is equal to CV. Here X, here V. What the difference? Here X and V. What the difference? X minus V and multiplied by C. Here C. All capacitance C I taken. So X minus V is Q1 plus Q2. Here Q2. Similarly, X minus 0 into C. X minus 0 into C. Plus, similarly, X minus, this is a X minus 0 because here 0 and here X minus 0 into C. X minus 0 into C is equal to 0. Now you can solve. So C cancel. So X minus B, that is a X minus B and plus 2X is equal to 0. I mean 3X minus B is equal to 0. I mean X is equal to V by 3. हो गया, आपका आंसर आ गया. Now, what is the charge? Here plus Q means, here plus Q means, here minus Q. Here the plus Q, here minus Q, here the plus Q, here the minus Q, here the plus Q, here the minus Q. Now Q is equal to what is? This one, so we have to find Q. Already X find. So this Q is equal to what is? This Q is equal to what is? X minus V into C. This one, X minus V. This is X minus V into C. X minus V into C. So X कितना आया? V by 3. V by 3 minus V into C. Right? So कितना होगा? Minus 2 V C by 3. ये तो होना चाहिए because this is the negative. So this Q is equal to minus Q is equal to what is? Minus 2 VC by 3. ये कितना? प्लस, ये माइनस होगा तो ये प्लस होगा, प्लस 2 VC by 3. Do you follow me? Do you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. देन हम लोग Q1 देंगे. ये Q तो सम बराबर नहीं होगा. मान लीजिए प्लस Q1, ये माइनस Q1, ये प्लस Q2, because potential must be same. Q2, ये माइनस Q2. हम देखेंगे प्लस Q1. I mean we have to go for this one. Q1 Q2 बराबर होगा because C सेम. अगर C1 C2 होगा तो चार्ज डिविजन आपको मालूम है, रेसिप्रोकल चार्ज Q1 by Q2 इक्वल टू C1 by C2. आपको चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मालूम होगा. When we will teach, we will learn about the parallel connection, definitely charge distribution because potential same. So from that concept we can find also. But total concept what is? This is second, X minus 0 because both are C same. So must be Q1 equal to Q2. That is must be Q1 equal to Q2 because C both are C2 is equal to C3, both are ये C2 ये C3 both are same. So Q1 कितना होगा? That means x minus 0 into C. So Q1 कितना आएगा? Q1 is equal to what is x minus 0 into C. S कितना? Already x find V by 3. So VC by 3. So VC by 3. 100% it will be connected to +1. So it will be Q1 is equal to what is VC by 3 and it is minus VC by 3. Similarly, it is a VC by 3. It is a minus VC by 3. So this is the charge distribution over the plates. Once you get X nodal potential, so your problem is tentatively over. Your problem is tentatively over. Do you follow me this concept? How can get the equivalent capacitance? How can use the nodal concepts? By help of nodal concept, how can get the charge distribution over the each plate? देखिए इसमें +1 में 2VC by 3, -1 में 2VC by 3, इसमें +VC by 3, -VC by 3, because C1, C2, C3 इक्वल बराबर है, so same charge होगा. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? You can tell
No,
me.
sir.
Listen बेटा, आपको आराम से धीरे slow and steady you have to learn, because this is a physics. Initial जितना slow के रिसीव करेंगे, बाद में इतना स्पीड अप हो जाएंगे. ये the tricks. ठीक है. Next one can go. Next problem. I hope this problem you can understand how those are arrangements. If a this is very well, therefore I'm writing very important. It is mains level में बहुत important. कभी-कभी NEET में भी ऐसे आता है. And that means how can find out the odd man out? One capacitor कैसे बाहर में चलाता है? क्योंकि एक बैटरी लगा दिया तो सेल लगा दिया तो जो होगा प्लस माइनस का +1 -1 का बन होगा. इसका बीच में कोई बाहर का एजेंट नहीं ढुक सकता है, अंदर में आ नहीं सकता है. ये ऑड मैन इज आउट, ये कमिंग आउट. C3. ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वी हैव टू गो फॉर. This one problem. Okay, this is also not completed correctly. This one, we connect, and here also connect. Here the questions, one advanced level questions. एक क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया, the K1 with the K2, there are two keys. Okay, understand? When the K1, this potential V, and this battery potential 2V. एक एडवांस लेवल का क्वेश्चंस पूछा गया. If K1 is closed, if K1 initially, K1 not closed, K2 closed, K1 not closed and K2 closed, okay. K1 not closed, K2 closed. First condition. Second कैसे पूछा जाएगा? K1, K2 both are closed और both are open. टू कंडीशन है. एक कंडीशन में आपका सामने में पेश करता हूं. वन कंडीशन ओनली K1, K2 का बारे में. लिसन केयरफुली. क्या होगा? K1, मान लीजिए K1 इज ओपन, K1 इज ओपन, ओनली K2 क्लोज किया. मैं K2 को क्लोज किया. K1 is open, suppose K1 close, both we have takes. Consider K1, consider case number 1. Let K1 and K2 both are closed. K1 and K2 both are closed. Both are short circuited. Both are closed. मान लीजिए दोनों क्लोज हो गया, K1 K2 क्लोज हो गया. Am I right? If K1 closed, देखिए if K1 closed, इसको ये जो बैटरी काम नहीं करता है, ये बैटरी काम नहीं करेगा क्योंकि ये शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया. ये शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया, ये काम नहीं करेगा. ये बैटरी, ये जो पोटेंशियल काम नहीं करेगा. So it is equivalent to like this. That is the equivalent like this. This one is equivalent like this. Listen. ऐसे हो गया. Because ये काम नहीं करेगा. Because ये short circuited. ये short circuited. Do you follow me? What do you understand by short circuited? इसका जो बैटरी का फंक्शन नहीं आएगा. Because ये short circuit हो गया. जो ये वाला बैटरी काम नहीं करेगा. ओपन में काम करता है. Am I right? So ये वाला ऐसे हो जाएगा. This is this one ऐसे आके ऐसे होके ऐसे में चला गया. That means one capacitor like this. This plate, outside plates. अंदर में क्या होता है? अंदर में ये वाला क्या होगा? ऐसे. ये वाला ये एक बैटरी कनेक्शन है जिसका पोटेंशियल 2 भी होता है. और यहाँ का जो K2 क्लोज है, ऑलरेडी K2 यहाँ पर क्लोज है. इसे K2 क्लोज हो गया. So this one is equivalent to like this. When K2 both are closed, this one convert to this likes. Am I right? Okay. Do you follow me? Hello. Then already this type of part I told. This type closed. This type of part I told. क्या होता है? हम लोग 1, ये 2, ये +2, then +2, then -2, ये -2, ये -2, again +1, play that time. Then you can continue, you can get the concept, get the what the capacitance. Same, ये 1, 2 में तो नहीं होगा, +2 -2 में ये कैपेसिटेंस +2, इसको आप मालूम हो जाएगा. इसमें ये नॉट कनेक्टेड. So +2 means it will be minus, it will be plus, again plus, it the plus, it will be minus, a -2, a -2, again -2, on the +1, it will be -1. Then how many capacitor you have to connect? Then arrange this. Can you arrange this? Hello. Can you arrange this? Tell me something. +2, देखिए +2 और ये +2 -1 का कैपेसिटर होगा. जस्ट 1 minute. +2 ये -1 का एक कैपेसिटर होगा, ये वाला. फिर +2 -2 का बीच में एक कैपेसिटर होगा. +2 -2 का बीच में होगा. ये +2 ये -2 का बीच में. फिर क्या होगा? प्लस ये -2 +1 का बीच में. -2 +1 का, ये +2 -2 का +1 के बीच में. So it is the -2 +1 का बीच में होगा, +1. ठीक है. तो दोनों को हम लोग चाहते हैं +2 -2 should be one plate. +2 -2 should be one plate. That means +2 one side +2, ये हो गया +2 और ये हो गया +2, ये हो गया -2. बिकॉज -2 कैसे करेंगे? -2 एक प्लेट बाहर में होता है, +2 -2. दैट मीन्स यहाँ से ये जो -2 ये -2, यहाँ से एक प्लेट जाके ऐसे कनेक्शन हो गया, ये -2 हो गया. अभी फिर एक बार अरेंजमेंट करिए. एक वन साइड +2, वन साइड -2 और -2 का साथ -2 कनेक्शन होकर प्लस हो गया. अरेंजमेंट कर लीजिए, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. Do you follow me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for today class because you are claimed for 1 hour class. Again, these problems next class. Again, from this problem because I told one part is closed, one key is closed, and one key is open. But when the both keys, sorry, it is what I told. First one, it is closed, it is open. Again, both will be, this will be open and this will be closed. I mean, this will be open, this will be closed. I mean, see both battery will be in functions, how it will be calculated. Because IIT advanced levels, I will tell in next class. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my dear students. You are supporting
sir.
a solicited. You are supporting solicitors. Nice. You have to continue. Okay, thank you. And this problem, you try to your best. If you some by chance you not up to marks, then next class I will discuss this one also. Again, okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
due to lack of time, I am speed up. May not be you achieve it, but next class I will again from this point I will go for. From this point I will go for. Thank you.